Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import Amazon reviews to your Shopify store. Now this is very easy and quick. First, what you need to do guys is you want to create you want to log into your Shopify store, okay? And then you want to click settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and you want to download this app. It's free, so you don't have to pay for the plan. It's called Ali Reviews, okay? Now you want to search for Ali Reviews on Shopify App Store, and then you want to download this app. It's called Ali Reviews. Click on it, and then you want to click on Add App, okay? And then you want to click on Install App in the top right. Okay, it will give you two different options. I have used this app before. It will give you guys two different options, like the basic and the premium. I always go with the free plan, so you don't have to pay for anything, guys. Just click on sign up for free, and it says here like start tutorial, but you don't need that. I'm going to explain to you how you can do that right now. Now you want to click on manage reviews in the top, as you can see, and after guys you click on manage reviews, you will find here your products, your Shopify products here. So let's say that you want to add reviews, for example, to this one. In the right, in the right, you will find their import reviews. Click on it. Now you want to select Amazon import, because you can also import AliExpress reviews, but yeah, you want to select here Amazon import, and you want to go to Amazon and you want to find that product that you want to get the reviews from. I'm just going to go with this one, for example. This is just an example. I'm going to go here, Amazon games, whatever. I'm just going to go, yeah, for example, this one. I'm just going to go with gaming desk, for example. Yeah, for example, this product. And then what you need to do, guys, you want to copy the URL of the Amazon product URL, okay? And then you want to go back to the app and paste that URL here. And if you want your reviews to come with images, you can check this, but I don't like that, so I'm going to, yeah. And here you can select the number of reviews. I would just go with 5 reviews, and then click import. That's it. Now it says here import request submitted. Now you want to wait, as you can see, imported 5 reviews. Now you want to wait like 13 seconds for the reviews to appear on the homepage of your product. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and if you want to learn more about Shopify, click the video in the screen and you will be able to learn more about Shopify. Have a good day. See you.